So did you know you can run Onshape as an app on your PC? It really is quick, easy, and takes less than 1 minute to do. So we need to have Chrome as our browser. We click the three dots. We go down to Cast, Save and Share, and then click Install Page as an app. So apps open in a new window, so I'm just going to call it Onshape, and I press Install. So we've now got Onshape in an app. Now the great thing about this is if I just close everything down, so now on my desktop you can see the Onshape app has now appeared, and all I do is click on that. It will open it up as a web browser, saving time, making your life that little bit easier. I've been the On Teacher. Thanks for watching.